Hi friends, welcome back to a new video. Let's get started. The 1972 Kennedy half-dollar coin is part of a series of coins that commemorate the life and legacy of President John F. Kennedy, the 35th President of the United States. The Kennedy half-dollar was first introduced in 1964, following Kennedy's tragic assassination in 1963, as a way to honor his contributions to the country. The 1972 coin is one of the many coins minted throughout the series and has its own distinct history and geographical significance. The Kennedy half-dollar was authorized by Congress in 1964, shortly after the assassination of President John F. Kennedy. The coin was intended to serve as a memorial to the late president and to replace the Franklin half-dollar, which had been minted since 1948. The first coins were issued in 1964, and they were produced with 90% silver and 10% copper. The design of the coin featured a portrait of Kennedy on the obverse, front, and the seal of the president on the reverse, back. 1972 coin design. The 1972 Kennedy half-dollar features the same design that was first introduced in 1964. The obverse shows a portrait of President Kennedy facing left, designed by sculptor Gilroy Roberts. The reverse side, created by Frank Gasparro, shows the presidential seal with an eagle, shield, and olive branch. The inscriptions on the reverse include United States of America and E Pluribus Unum. Changes over time. While the basic design of the Kennedy half-dollar remained the same, the composition of the coin changed over the years. In 1965, due to a national coin shortage, the U.S. Mint stopped using 90% silver and switched to a copper-nickel-clad composition. In 1971, a new coin design for the half-dollar was introduced, which included the copper-nickel-clad composition. This new design was used for coins minted from 1971 onwards, including the 1972 version. Minting and production. The 1972 Kennedy half-dollar was struck at 3 U.S. mint locations: Philadelphia, Denver, and San Francisco. Coins from Philadelphia and Denver were produced for general circulation, while coins from San Francisco were issued as proof coins. The mintages of the 1972 half-dollars are among the largest of any Kennedy half-dollar issue, with over 200 million coins produced that year. Mint locations. As mentioned, the 1972 Kennedy half-dollar was minted at 3 U.S. mint locations. Philadelphia Mint. The Philadelphia Mint has a long history as a central location for coin production. Coins struck here have no mint mark. Denver Mint. The Denver Mint is another key facility for coin production, and half-dollars from this mint are marked with a D mint mark. San Francisco Mint. Known for producing proof coins, the San Francisco Mint struck the 1972 proof Kennedy half-dollars, which are marked with an S mint mark. Proof coins are specially made with high-quality standards for collectors. Collectible nature of the coin. The 1972 Kennedy half-dollar is a coin of historical significance for collectors, particularly because of its status in the long-running series. Coins with different mint marks, Philadelphia, Denver, and San Francisco, are often sought after by numismatists, coin collectors, as each mint's production has slight variations. Proof coins from San Francisco are especially prized for their mirror-like finish and sharp details. Regional economic impact. The introduction of the Kennedy half-dollar helped provide the U.S. Treasury with a convenient coin to meet the demand for half-dollar denominations. With a large circulation in the early years, the Kennedy half-dollar was used in daily transactions across the country, from the bustling streets of New York City to the quieter regions of rural America. Cultural impact and legacy. The Kennedy half-dollar became a symbol of the hope and promise that John F. Kennedy represented to the American people. His presidency, though cut short by his assassination in 1963, was marked by the call for civil rights reform, space exploration, and social change. The coin remains a testament to Kennedy's enduring influence on American culture and politics. Coin design symbolism. The eagle on the reverse side of the coin is a prominent symbol of the United States. The eagle holds an olive branch, symbolizing peace, and arrows, representing strength, signifying the balance between peace and defense. The inscription E Pluribus Unum, Latin 4 out of many one, highlights the unity of the country, a theme that was central to Kennedy's leadership. Kennedy's legacy in geography. The creation of the coin is also a geographical testament to the nation's unity and history. While Kennedy's legacy is celebrated across the United States, his roots are especially strong in Massachusetts, where he was born. His legacy has shaped not only political landscapes but also social movements that have had a lasting impact across different regions of the U.S. The 1972 Kennedy half-dollar is notable for several reasons. Mint mark variations. The coin comes with different mint marks, which can affect its value. Coins minted in San Francisco, marked S, are especially sought after by collectors for their proof quality. High mintage. The 1972 coin saw high production levels, with over 200 million coins minted, making it one of the most widely circulated Kennedy half-dollars. Value today. While the 1972 Kennedy half-dollar does not contain silver, which reduces its intrinsic value, it remains a significant piece for collectors due to its historical context and the ongoing legacy of President Kennedy. The 1972 Kennedy half-dollar is a symbol of a pivotal moment in U.S. history. While it marks the commemoration of a president who brought hope and vision to the nation, it also reflects a transitional period in coinage history, as the U.S. Mint moved away from using silver in everyday circulation. For collectors, the coin holds value not only in terms of its metal composition but also as a piece of American history, offering a tangible connection to the legacy of President John F. Kennedy and the social changes of the 1960s and beyond. The Kennedy half-dollar continues to be a beloved coin, both for its historical significance and its place in American numismatic history.